When I was in Japan, I had the most unusual sandwich. It was a combination of chantilly cream, so cream with some sugar and some vanilla in it, and strawberries, and it actually works. It is so delicious. It's a bit of fun, and I know the kids are going to love this too. So we need 2 slices of bread, and I actually don't want to use bread that's way too fresh because then it's harder to cut. So you want day-old bread. You can even use brioche for this recipe. I'll grab the cream and we're going to add a spoonful of this cream. Now I've just whipped it until it's stiff peaks. You want it to be quite firm. We're using the cream as the spread. So all the way to the sides, quite even. And we'll just pop the other one on the side. And then we'll grab these gorgeous strawberries. Look how ripe. You need the ripest strawberries for this because it's all about the strawberry. And you want them to be roughly the same size. So just align your strawberries, just making sure that they're the same size because what we're going to do is cut through the sandwich and we don't want uneven strawberries. So last one. Now we're going to pop them on top of the cream. So we want the pointy end facing out and we want one straight line, just like that. And then we'll make a cross on the other side. Again, the pointy sides facing out. Okay, next we need some more cream. Strawberries and cream, they're a classic. Pop them in a sandwich, why not? That's why I love the Japanese. They always come up with these really fun, quirky ways to pair fantastic original ingredients together. So we're just essentially filling up the gap. So spreading out the cream just so it covers and coats all of the strawberries. You don't want to overdo it, so it's just that fine touch just to really get into the sides there. Okay, that's looking good. We'll sandwich this together, pop that on top, squish it down so it's quite even. And you can cut into this straight away, but if you want that perfect cut, I highly recommend popping it into some Glad wrap nice and tightly. And by doing that, we're again pressing down on it. So that goes into the fridge. Just pop it in the fridge for 1 hour if you're patient enough. And then we've got this perfect firmer sandwich. We'll just unwrap it from the Glad wrap and now we can prepare it. So we want to take the crust off so we get that perfect square. And we'll just go around with our knife and you can trim it where you need. And you can see how firm and neat this is because we've used day-old bread. Next, we want to cut through the strawberries, but that centre cut. So I remember that we put them this way. So just with your serrated knife, carefully cut through. And you can see we're exposing the centre of the strawberries. Pretty cool, huh? So you can eat that like this, or we can cut again very carefully straight through. So we've got 4 perfect triangles. And then we can just pop them onto a plate there. And I tell you what, if you make this for a kid's party, they are going to love it. And who doesn't love that combination of strawberries and cream? Even better, in a sandwich.